just went back into my car. I'm gonna just do a little recap of the review, okay? Because it was a little bit windy there, so I don't know if you guys were able to hear me or not, but I'm just gonna do a recap. So what I was saying is that this is the town square. This is a town, let me look on here. It is called the Town Square Mall, okay? It's Town Square Park Mall, okay? And this is on the, I would say probably like the southeast end of Vegas Boulevard, Las Vegas Boulevard. So if you're coming in, like say from California, right? You're driving north on the 15. This is probably the first, you know, area you'll hit before you hit the strip itself. Okay. So we're currently staying at the Mandalay Bay, and for those of you who are heading to Vegas, I highly recommend you guys staying at one of the hotel on this end of it, whether, you know, it doesn't matter which one you stay, but stay on the, I guess it's the southeast end of Las Vegas Boulevard before McLaren Airport. Here's the reason why is that it's closer to the Supercharger here, okay? So I mean, from here to Mandalay Bay, I would probably say it's about, say, 3-4 miles. Really easy driving. You know, streets are not crowded. That's the most important thing. The streets are not crowded, and so you can get down here pretty quick and charge. And as you can see on the video, there wasn't a lot of people. There wasn't a lot of people who were here charging, and we've gone here like maybe 4 or 5 times already. And each time we've been here, it's not barely anybody here, you know, 1 or 2 people. I've gone early in the morning, like at 7 o'clock, try to beat everybody. We've been here at 10 o'clock. We've been here later in the day, and so on. Okay, so not a lot of people, which is great. You know, one of the thing that at least I hate, you know, I mean, let's put it this way: a great thing about Tesla is that we are growing. You know, the Tesla family is growing. You know. And that's a great thing, you know, technology, you know, everybody's embracing this, okay? The bad part about it is everybody's embracing it. So there's more and more of these, cars out there that needs the supercharging station, okay? And with the advent of the Model 3 coming in, you know, and Elon is getting close to hitting his 5,000 week mark. Check that out, news. Elon's gonna hit that 5,000, okay, soon, okay? Great news, guys. Bad news is that there's going to be a flood of people who start charging, and now I'm starting to see where in my area there's a lot more Model 3 charging too, and then there's more S charging too every single day. So for a guy like me, I don't have a whole lot of patience. So you know, I always try to find stations where there isn't a lot of people, and then hopefully as he opened more, that there'll be less strain, you know, on waiting and all that stuff, you know, or less stress for us to sit there and wait and stuff, okay? But anyway, I digress on that a little bit, but it's back to the review. Is that, like I said, I highly recommend you stay on this end of the strip because there's not a lot of people, for one. The mall's great. It's a beautiful mall. It has all the restaurant. Actually has one of our favorite, my wife and I's favorite steakhouse. It's called Texas de Brazil. So I mean, it's a great place to just stop by, you know, and charge, and then, you know, use the charging station and all that. So you know, think about it, guys. When you are in Vegas, okay, if you guys are in Vegas, think about it and stay in this end versus down at the strip. I know everybody wants to go in the strip, but my wife and I, you know, we don't like the crowds, and we like when you know, come time that we leave, we can just go boom, hit and jet out really quick, okay? So that's something to think about. You know, get moving. You know, get moving and stuff. So, you know, not a lot of people in this area, at this part of the end of the area, so you can get out of town much quicker, okay? So, 10 stalls, not a lot of people, a lot of options on shopping and eating, out of the way, quick, you know, bail out of Vegas when your time's to leave. So, I really like this one. I don't know. I don't grade I don't grade. You know, I don't think I have a grading system, or I haven't graded any of these charging station yet. But I think for this one, I would probably give this one, if I'm gonna grade from a scale of 0 to 10, I'll probably give this one about probably about 8, an 8, with the criteria that I just told you, about an 8. 8 out of 10. You know, proximity close to the the strip still, but still out of the way, not a lot of people. You know, 10 stall, pretty decent amount, and availability of other things to do. You know, shopping, food, and all that stuff. Okay, so that's my review of the town. What is it? I'm sorry. Let me get the name correctly. The Town Square Park. Okay, on the south end of the Las Vegas Boulevard. 3 to 4 miles away from Mandalay Bay. So, all right, guys. So hopefully that helps out. Make your decision when you come to Vegas, and you know, make your choice. Okay. Once again, in Elon we trust. Peace out. Stay safe.